This single technique can solve the problems of millions of celibate monks on the planet Earth. In every religion, millions and millions of celibate monks and nuns are there. At least in Hinduism, more than 10 million. 1 million are living only in the organizations. Hindu organizations has got more than 1 million monks. And in an unorganized way, just as individuals living in different villages and cities, in that way, more than 10 million Hindu monks are there. This one single technique can solve and transform the lives of millions of monks, because here Shiva is giving the technology for every single being to experience the transformation without suppression. If you suppress, you keep those thoughts inside for it to raise and pollute your whole mind. If you express, you give power to that thought so that again and again it can attack you. Understand? If you suppress, you become like a volcano. Any time it can burst. You are sitting on that weight. If you express, then again that thought becomes very powerful in your mind. It can just take you away because of the very memory of the experience. It can just take you away. You can be just taken away. Any memory of any experience can just flood you and take you away from your logic or intellect or from your control. So both the way you are in trouble. Now the Shiva is coming out with a great technique to solve this issue, to answer this problem. The technique says, eyes closed, see your inner being in detail, thus see your true nature. Always we see your body only from outside. Always we see our body only from outside. Others' body also only from outside. Now Shiva is asking us to see your body from inside. One important thing you should understand, when you see from outside, you have an idea about what you are seeing. When you see from inside, you will have totally different idea, different experience about what you are seeing. One more thing, not only your idea about what you are seeing will change. When you see from inside, not only your idea about what you are seeing, even the idea about the seer will change. Because in the inside, seer and the seen are one and the same. Only when you see from outside, seer is different and seen is different. When you see from inside, seer and the seen both are one and the same. That is why when you see from inside, not only what you see, the seen becomes different, even the seer becomes different. When you see from outside, you always think your body. That is why you feel connected, attached to some other body. You need another one body. What you think as you will try to collect or gather the same thing around you. Because for survival, you need to exist as community, as group. Expansion is the basic quality of survival. Either you will reproduce or you will try to connect and relate with the people who already exist. Anything which survives you can see, either it will be constantly reproducing or creating group, so that the survival becomes possible. The basic quality for anything which survives is reproduction and gathering as group. Naturally, you need company. If you think you are body, you will start expecting the company of some other bodies, and you will be constantly expecting to have some bodies. You will be constantly thinking only in the language of bodies. Please be very clear. What you think as you will try to attract the same thing around you. If you think you are a singer, you always want to connect with some other singers. Even if you feel jealous about them, you want to see them. You want to connect with them. Whatever you think as you try to connect with them. If you think you are a body, you try to connect with some other bodies. You are constantly in search of other bodies. When you look from inside, suddenly you will realize you are something more than the body. When you realize something more than the body, you will start seeking, searching the same thing in everybody. You will not be bothered about the dimensions of the body. You will not be bothered about searching bodies. You will start looking for the consciousness inside and outside. Only then you will realize every individual being is divine. Every single being is God. Only when you realize you are something more than the body, you will be able to realize others are also something more than the body. Vivekananda says beautifully, unless you experience divinity in you, you can't experience divinity in others. Unless you love yourself, you can't love others. You can't love others. Unless you realize you can't realize others. Serving the humanity can happen only after you realizing you. Till then, even if you serve, it's only a business, not service. It's only business, not service. Let you be very clear about these few important facts of life, the truths of life. Looking into yourself will give you the tremendous freedom. It will liberate you from all the concepts which you carry about your body. It can give you the tremendous freedom from the needs of the body, what you think as the needs of the body. I have always seen people, even who think they are courageous or strong, people who think they are controlled, centered, even they just feel moved, even they will be shaken when there is some desire arises related to the needs of the body. Because as long as you think, you feel you are body, naturally the very thought will create the need for the other body. Survival and reproduction are very closely connected. Swadhisthana and Mooladhara. the fear of survival, insecurity, and the need to reproduce, both are very closely connected. As long as you have the fear to live, you will be reproducing. The reproduction is the side effect of insecurity. Why do you think constantly you try to convince about your ideology to others? Because when you become a big group, you feel that you are now a solid being. You can survive. Nobody can shake. That's the reason constantly we try to convince others about what we believe. Same way, whether it is physical or mental, same way, survival and reproduction, both are closely associated and connected. Now, Shiva is coming up with a great technique to look in. He says, eyes closed, see your inner being in detail, thus see your true nature.